Hello everyone. Firstly, happy Independence Day to all. We, the students of class 10th, are going to show you some performances which will depict the life of our one and only respected Iron Man.
Firstly, we will depict the biography of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel through a PowerPoint presentation.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a great name that we are remembering now, was born on 31st of October 1875 and was born in Nadiad, Gujarat. He belonged to Indian National Congress and was lawyer by profession.
He is also known as Iron Man of India. His father name was Javed Bhai Patel, who was a simple farmer, and Patel's mother name was Lad Bhai Patel, who was a simple lady. Patel was hardworking from his childhood. He was very honest and always believed in equality of all individuals. He was a simple and a sober man.
He started his practice in Ahmedabad and soon he became aware of a local life. He became popular and he got elected in municipal corporation in 1917. He came across Mahatma Gandhi in 1915. He gave various speeches to encourage Indians so that they can fight for equality. He also encouraged people to abolish the goods imported by Britishers. He also put off his coat and burned it. He was also supported by many Indians, and the movement was success. And this act was known as Satyagraha Act.
Unfortunately, he died on 15 December 1950, which was due to a massive heart attack. But he is still alive in our hearts.
Now we are portraying that incident of his life in which he saved the farmers from excessive taxes.
हाय भगवान मैं क्या करूं मेरी सारी फसलें खराब हो गई अब मैं क्या करूं
आज हमने 6% टैक्स से 22% टैक्स बढ़ा दिया है और जो टैक्स नहीं देगा उसकी ज़मीन हड़प लेंगे और उसका घर भी।
मुझे हर हालत में गांधी जी से मदद मांगनी पड़ेगी
गांधी जी उस समय व्यस्त थे, इसलिए उन्होंने वल्लभ भाई पटेल को किसानों की समस्या को सुलझाने के लिए भेजा।
क्या हुआ? तुम्हारी क्या समस्या है?
अंग्रेजों ने भी 6 से 22% तक लगान बढ़ा दिया है अब हम क्या करें
अब मैं कुछ गुप्तचरों को भेजता हूँ ये पता लगाने के लिए कि अंग्रेज किसका घर हड़पने वाले हैं।
फिर वो एक गुप्तचर को अंग्रेजी पुलिस थाना भेजते हैं।
मैं लल्लन सिंह मैं आपको किसानों की जमीन हड़पने में मदद करूंगा।
हमें एक ऐसे आदमी की जरूरत है जो ताकतवर हो। आज हम रामलाल का मकान नीलाम करेंगे।
आज रामलाल की जमीन नीलाम होने वाली है।
ठीक है, हम उसे 2 महीने के लिए गायब कर देंगे।
और इसी तरीके से यह सब बहुत लंबे समय तक चलता रहा।
गांव में जमीन मिल रही है तो हमने वापस से टैक्स को 22% से 6% कर दिया है। कम से कम टैक्स तो मिलेगा।
आपने तो हमें बचा लिया। आज से आप केवल वल्लभ भाई पटेल नहीं सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल के नाम से जाने जाएंगे।
Quotes which are very motivational in life are essential for everybody's life. Hence, we are displaying some quotes written or said by our respected Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
In a domestic home, unity and cooperation are essential for requests.
Arts is a non-violent war. It is dharma yudh.
Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country but with certain duty.
Now we will show you some rangolis made by the student of 10th class.
As on Independence Day, we celebrate it by flying kites. Our mates also fly kites, which we are going to show you now.
Achievements are the targeted goals or aims in our life. To achieve something, we need to work hard and smart. Here, we are going to show you some greatest achievements achieved by our country.
We are proud to live in a country where vaccination of COVID-19 was released.
Are proud to live in a country where a youngster won gold at javelin throw.
We are proud to live in a country where a man won all the ICC tournaments.
We are proud that we live in a country where 104 satellites were launched at once.
We are proud to live in a country where zero was invented.
We are proud that we live in a country from where satellite was launched to Mars.
We are proud to be an Indian and love India.
ये अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगाकर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय।